Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Honor Magic V2. And to do this, we can open the SIM slot on the bottom side of our phone. Yep, here it is. And we can use the SIM ejection tool for that. Then when we take out the slot, there's one SIM slot right here and another one on the other side, which confirms that this device does have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.